Okay, good evening. Tonight we're going to do just a real short video to review what the parts of a circle, the basic parts of a circle that we already know are. So I'm going to want you to go ahead and draw your best free-handed circle on your next blank sheet of paper. So you can see mine's not perfect. Okay, so it doesn't matter the size of the circle. Any circle on the earth, it could be a big monster truck wheel, it could be an Oreo cookie. As long as it's a circle, they all have the same parts and they all are proportional. So the first part of the circle that we're going to talk about is the rim of the circle, the perimeter, and we call that the circumference of a circle. It's all the way around. Okay. The next part of the circle is from one end to the other, which is the diameter of a circle. That's the width across the circle. And then if you go from the diameter all the way to the edge, it's half a diameter, which we call the radius. I hope you're saying it from home now, radius. Okay? Alright, so just a reminder that those are the different parts of the circle that we have discussed so far this year. And I just wanted to remind you of the different parts of a circle that you kind of need to know, and you kind of need to know some lingo. The first one is this symbol. Excuse me. This symbol is called pi, spelled P-I. Okay, and pi equals 3.14 dot 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 dot, and it goes on forever. And we know that about, and that sign means about, 3.14 diameters of any circle will equal its circumference. So if you take this blue line I just traced and you were to wrap it around the circle 3 times, you would have to wrap it 3 times. Like it would be one diameter, and then you'd have to do it again. Another diameter, and then another diameter, and then there would be a little bit more you would have to add on. That's the 0.14. 3.14 of these blue lines will wrap around the complete circumference of this circle. So 3.14 diameters equals circumference. So there's a formula that we have that goes with that, and it's pi, because pi is the same as 3.14 times d, which is diameter, equals circumference. And another way of writing that is if they give you just the radius, they don't give you the diameter, you can multiply the radius times 2 times the radius times pi. Now, I don't know why they don't say 2r pi, because that makes more sense, 2 times the radius times pi. It doesn't matter what order you multiply it in the commonly used formula with radius for circumference is 2 pi r is the order. So it means the same thing as 2 radiuses times pi, which is another way of just writing the same thing as pi d, because 2 radiuses equals a d. So if they give you the radius measurement, then you would use this formula, 2 pi r. If they give you the diameter measurement, you would use pi times d, pi d. All right? All right, have a good night.